Today we are back at our Brentwood project and we're showing you the entertainment spaces. The living room and the dining room are both open to each other, making this space ideal for entertaining. We wanted both spaces to have optimal seating for guests and a design people couldn't stop talking about. We started in the living room by flanking the fireplace with two different consoles, one for storage and one that can house more seating. We are all about symmetry here at LBD, and since the art above the fireplace is actually a TV, we decided that the art above the console table should be more neutral and not as eye-catching. We love the back of these wood chairs and customized them with this amazing fabric to make it a little bit more unique. By adding more seating with ottomans and stools, we were really able to make everyone feel super comfortable in the living room. We knew that our clients were going to be entertaining a lot in this space, so we made sure that the white sofa was in a performance fabric so they didn't have to worry about spills or wine at the end of the day. The dining room has beautiful coffered ceilings and amazing molding throughout the whole room, so every piece that we put in really needed to elevate those design elements. The amazing statement light and beautiful caneback chairs are really the showstopper in this room. In these two rooms, we really wanted to play with different wood tones, which made the rooms feel cohesive and different all at the same time. Both rooms are adjacent to a really beautiful patio where I imagine my clients sipping wine and connecting. If you missed our last episode of the entry and office, make sure to check it out and stay tuned for more of the Brentwood project.